Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to fix the start menu button. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to download the KVRT tool. The link will be given in description and it's free. I've already downloaded it. So you need to restart your PC in safe mode and I'll show you how it looks. After initializing, you need to accept the license agreement. Just click accept and start the scan. Don't update the version. So after the scanning, it will take some time, a maximum of an hour safe mode and a maximum of 3 hours in normal. Now just download and install CC Cleaner. The link will be given in description with crack. So just go to registry and scan. It will take a while for scanning. After scan is done, just click fix selected issues, click no, and there will be one more option over here, and click all, fix all selected issues and just close it. Claim Win free antivirus. Just download this antivirus and it's not that big, it's 164 MB. Looks like this. And select C drive and start scanning. It takes a while for loading virus signature databases. Start scanning. The C drive scanning might take at least 4 hours for full C drive scan. Now just open the link that is given in description, which is my blog link. You need to create the system restore point and download Windows 10 start menu troubleshooter. The link will be given in description. Just open it. It will look like this. Next. It will take a while. I am not troubleshooting right now because my start menu is fine now. So I will cancel it. So after that, you need to run the elevated command prompt, that is administrator. So open task manager. Open task manager. Click run new task, click create this task with administrative privileges and type PowerShell in it and click OK. Now just copy and paste this command sfc/scan now. Paste it, it will take a while for scan. After that, restart your PC and type the second command. So click enter, it will take a while, and again restart your PC and see if it helps. Now You can check YouTube to see the how to toggle tablet mode. Now again open the elevated window PowerShell and copy this and paste it into the PowerShell by just simple right and click enter. I'm not entering because my start menu is fine right now, but after this too my start menu was not working even in 5th step, so the update will be the last option. The 6th option worked for me, that is create a new user and see if it helps. In the command prompt just copy net user username and add. Set the username anything. Right now my username is root, so let's say ROOT. Okay, enter, and new sign in account created successfully. Now you can go to settings, or you can go to control panel, go to user accounts, click on user accounts. You can see this is my default root local account administrator. Now go to family and other people. You can see that the ROOT account has been created. Choose account type and change it to administrator and click OK. Now just shut down your PC and restart it on new for a fresh start. If last step, if that too wasn't helping you, after creating a new account, just download this patch file and run it as administrator. It is a patch by Avio. Thanks for it. It will reset all settings and Wi-Fi, etc. Hope so these all things work and Start Manager will work on your PC again. If not, then the final step is a simple reset this PC using a recovery disk or refresh this PC. Also, one more warning, just take care that when changing your user account, before deleting, just take a backup of your Chrome and other things like desktop icons, videos, photos, downloads into other drives, so that it will not be removed after you delete the older user account.